those who are greedy to understand the world get more money.
Those who are greedy.
To understand the world get more money in life than those who are greedy to get more money.
Yeah. I think being greedy to money is saying that I want to be this guy, but I don't want to find the process of how do I get there, right? But people who are greedy to understand the world, figure out. And money just comes as an outcome of that, or success comes as an outcome, right? For example, let's say I'm an aspiring podcaster. I want to be like Raj over here, and like, oh my God, I'm going to beat all the numbers he has. But I have no interest in the process of how he picks his guests and how he gets his content. What does he do? All of that. And I'm not trying to understand what makes things viral. I'm not trying to understand any of that. And I'm only greedy for the end outcome. I'm less likely to get it. But people are greedy to understand the world. Wealth will keep.
It starts like that.
Sorry?
Don't you think it starts with just greed for money?
Not necessarily. Because sometimes you just discover money as an accidental outcome of some of the things that you're pursuing. Did you expect you to make so much revenue when you started?
No.
Did you do this for money?
No. Never.
You're making a lot of money that as an outcome of what you are still doing for your passion.
I still don't believe this is making as much money.
Correct. But the thing is that if you thought कि पैसा बनाने के लिए तो podcast तो नहीं करते life में.
But बहुत लोग पैसा कमाने के लिए कुछ business करते हैं.
That's fine.
And उसके लिए फिर बहुत पैसा बनता है.
बनता है, but unless they are understanding how things work. Business is done to make money. There's no question about that. But you do not make a lot of money if you don't understand things. So you have to be greedy of understanding things. Being greedy for money doesn't create understanding. The core loop which compounds is that. For example, do you want to get a six-pack? Yeah, everybody will raise hand.
Yeah.
But that's not the thing. Like just the discipline, the understanding, the choices is what creates the outcome, no?
I agree with you, but I think this, for most people, the starting point is, I just want to make money. I don't care about anything else because I just want to get out of the financial rut of my family.
That is good starting point. It's not what will get you anything.
It'll get you some money in the beginning.
मुश्किल है. If your understanding is not growing, कुछ भी नहीं आएगा.
To make money, you need
the real currency is understanding and skills. Money is just a score.
Yeah.
It's like मुझे सेंचुरी बनानी है. First मैं 6 मारूंगा, मैं बैटिंग सीखूंगा, ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा, बेस्ट एथलीट से पूछूंगा, तब सेंचुरी बनेगी.